How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. To do that, first of all, make sure that your Instagram is installed and updated to its latest version. You can do that by going on Google Chrome or Google Play Store and search for Instagram and update and install it in your phone. After that, you can simply open the Instagram on your phone. After opening the Instagram on your phone, you will now see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you can see on the bottom right side of the page, there is a profile given. And when you tap on it, you will again go through an interface like this. After going through an interface like this, on the top right side, you will see that there are three vertical lines given. And when you tap on it, you will see many options. Among this, you can click on the third option, that is archive. After clicking on the third option, you will now select the option of Story Archive. After you select the option of Story Archive, you can simply go on the story that you want to delete. There is no option of deleting all the archived story at once. What you can do is go manually on each story and delete it. Like going on this story, click on the vertical button which is on the bottom right side, and when you tap on it, you will now see the option of delete, which is in red alphabet. After clicking on this and again tapping on delete, now your archived stories have already been deleted. So this is how you do it. If this video helped you, please do subscribe our channel.